Hi friends, welcome to Lovely Sitara. So today we are going to learn the important vocabulary of chapter 4 of Ancient India NCERT book. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exams and other exams also. So let's start. Our first word is irrigation, which means supplying river water to fields for farming. Next, sail, which means travel by sea using wind-powered boats. Next, advent, which means arrival of new people or ideas. Next, westward, which means towards western regions. Next, Arctic, which means extremely cold northern region. Next, pre-industrial, which means before machines and factories. Next, immigrant, which means people who settled from other regions. Next, insuperable, which means too difficult to cross or overcome. Next, compelled, which means forced due to natural conditions. Next, repository, which means area rich in natural resources. Next, skirted, which means moved along the edge of a region. Next, staple, which means main food crop of a region. Next, flourished, which means developed well due to geography. Next, province, which means large territorial region. Next, limelight, which means major area of attention. Next, possession, which means territory under control. Next, coveted, which means strongly desired land. Next, contested, which means fought over by groups. Next, inundated, which means flooded by rivers. Next, prominence, which means geographical importance. Next, flank, which means side of a mountain or region. Next, expanse, which means wide stretch of land. Next, indented, which means irregular coastline shape. Next, harbor, which means natural shelter for ships. Next, hinterland, which means interior land beyond coast. Next, insurmountable, which means impossible natural barrier. Next, sculpture, which means stone art using local rock. Next, scarce, which means available in very small quantity. Next, procured, which means obtained from nature or trade. Next, smelt, which means extract metal from ore. Next, bellow, which means loud sound of animals. Next, exploitation, which means overuse of natural resources. Thank you for learning.